How to install Realme Live Wallpapers on your Xiaomi device running MIUI 11 without having to root it. Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Realme Live Wallpapers on your Xiaomi device running MIUI 11 without having to root it. As you can see, I do have the Poco F1 running MIUI 11.0.6.0 based on Android 10. What are the things we need? You need only one zip file which is linked in the description of the video, and this is the file which we are looking for, Realme Live Wall MIUI.zip. Once you have downloaded the file, open your file manager application and then you can go into more and tap on archives. Next thing, tap on the zip file, click on extract files to, and now you can decide where you want to extract the file. I'll just click on extract. It is going to create a new folder on my SD card, Realme Live Wall MIUI. Next thing, we'll go to the home screen, and now I will show you two ways in which you can apply these live wallpapers to the home screen and to the lock screen. First way is we'll go into settings, and then you can go into the themes application, go into my page, go into wallpapers, click on my live wallpapers. Make sure you have the updated themes application, and then you will click on the plus sign on the bottom right and select file manager, and then you can navigate to the Realme Live MIUI folder. Ignore the Mac OS X folder, select any of these 6 live wallpapers. Let's select the last one, click on OK, and as you can see, it showed up on our list. We'll select this, click on apply, set both, and bam, here it is working on the home screen. And now we can lock our device, and here it is working on the lock screen as well. What is the second way? The second way is you open the gallery application and you will get these new videos which we just extracted in the gallery. So we can go into albums, go into videos. Here are the 6 videos. Let's select this one, and then you can click on the 3-dot menu on the bottom right and select set video wallpaper. Click on apply, set both, click on the home button. Here it is working like a boss on the home screen, and it works on the lock screen as well. So there it is peeps, that is how you set or use Realme Live Wallpapers on the home screen and on the lock screen of your MIUI 11 devices without having to root your device. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.